Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for my part 2 of my Christmas decor and decorate with me 2018. Thank you so much for coming back to watch part 2. If you missed part 1, I will have it linked down below for you guys. I'm going to be concentrating on my kitchen, my table, the downstairs bathroom and entryway for this video, and I really like how everything turned out, but like I said before, we just keep trying different ways and moving around decor to make sure we like how everything looks. So that's why we go back and forth. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like this video and if you're excited for Christmas. And once again, thank you so much for watching.
My friends and family, making angels in the sand, you ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna.
Some of this decor is new to us, which is why it took so long for us to figure out how we wanted it. I'm definitely taking pictures of my decor this year so I don't have this problem next year.
All the windows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Shepherds, why this jubilee? Why your joyous strains prolong? What the gladsome tidings be, which inspire your happy song? Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. choirs of angels praise. Mary, Joseph, lend your aid. while our hearts in love we race. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. In excelsis Deo.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright. Round John Virgin, mother and child. Holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. Silent night, holy night, Son of God, love's your light, radiant beams from your holy face. With the dawn of redeeming grace, Jesus, Lord, at your birth. Jesus, Lord, at your birth.
So that is going to be all for this video. I definitely have enough decorating to do a part 3, but I think I will save some of the decor and just do it off camera, and then just do a nice Christmas house tour for you guys, so that way you can see everything and see where it's from and see the parts of the house that I haven't decorated yet. So once again, thanks so much for coming back to watch my channel. I'd love to have you subscribe if you are new.
For Christmas, and